Welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board. We know that you may have many questions, so we will be going through some country-specific key information such as our collective agreement portage salarial, your activity and absences, the supplementary health insurance, the medical check. Deel France has the status of a Société de Portage. As such, you will be an employee of Deel France and you will achieve a mission for your client. It offers the same rights as the standard employment contract. The main differences concern the withdrawal of the financial reserve and the payment of the business allowance. Deel has to retain 5% of your gross salary each month to create a reserve. At the end of your contract, this financial reserve will be sent back to you untouched. The reason for this is to protect you in case you don't find another mission. At the same time, Deel France benefits from a business assignment thanks to your activity, so we therefore pay 5% in addition to your gross monthly salary for this contribution. On the collective agreement portage, you also have the obligation to declare your activity each month. To declare this activity, you will be invited after your first payroll to our HRIS, Eurecia. On this platform, you will be able to confirm the days or hours worked each month, sick leaves, and to declare and see your rights in terms of holidays and RTT, if you have some. This platform is to declare days worked as an employee. The client doesn't have access to it, so please have the validation of the client before you enter the information on Eurecia. In case of sick leave, a medical certificate is needed from the first day of absence and should be submitted in the first 48 hours. We are working with Alan as a supplementary health insurance and providence scheme. If you already have a social security number, you will receive the invitation link during your start week. You can cover your dependents. The cost depends on your family structure. Deel is paying 50% of the monthly contribution for you and your children. Alan is mandatory. You can only opt out if you are on a definite contract or already covered by a mandatory supplementary health insurance. You will be able to opt out directly on Alan's website. To have an overview of the guarantees of Alan, you can find the full information on the employee FAQ on the Deel platform. If you don't already have a social security number, you will not be invited until you have one, but you should be already covered, so keep your medical invoices. You are responsible to request your social security number using the accurate CERFA. In France, you have the obligation to attend a hiring medical check. OMAG will invite you during the first quarter of the contract. If you already did one in the last 5 years, you don't need to do it again, but will ask you to provide the proof on the compliance section on the platform. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deel. We hope this information was helpful to you on your onboarding journey.